Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Full Round Fillet, Fillet, Chamfer, and Extruded Cut. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and we will make this face here. So to create this face, we have the dimensions here. So the distance here, this line has 20 millimeters of length, 20 millimeters. This line here has 50 millimeters, the distance here. And this line here has 15 millimeters, 15. And this line here has 55 plus the radius here, 22 millimeters, plus 20. So it will be 55 plus 22 plus 20. This 20 here is this one, okay? So let's create this profile in the right plane. So open the SolidWorks and go to Sketch, select the right plane, and the midpoint will be here, okay? So let's create this profile. Select line, click here, make this profile here, and go to Smart Dimension. The distance here, 50 millimeters, 20 millimeters here, 15 here, and here is 55 plus 22 plus 20. And now exit the sketch, and we need to extrude this 44 millimeters. So go to Feature, select Extruded Boss Base, select this profile. The direction here, select the mid plane and the distance 44 millimeters and press OK. We made this one, okay? And now let's create this chamfer here. Oh no, sorry. Let's create this fillet. It is a full round fillet. So go to fillet and the fillet type, select full round fillet. And here select the A face, the center face, and the B face, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this fillet here. We have a fillet here with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet again. The type here, select the constant size. Select this edge and this one. The radius here is 5 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now let's create this chamfer with 2 millimeters equal distance. So go to chamfer and select this edge here. The size here 2 millimeters. The angle 45 degrees. It is equal distance. And press OK. We made this one. And now we need to create a cut. So we will create this slot here. Okay, this slot, the distance between the centers is 40 millimeters, and the distance between this line here and this one is 15. And this arc is cocentric with this one. Okay, so go to create a sketch and select this face, and here select the straight slot and find the center of this arc. Click here, make a slot here, go to Smart Dimension. The distance between these two lines here, 15 millimeters. And the length of the center line here is 40 millimeters. Okay. And go to Features and select Extruded Cut. The direction here, select it through all. And press OK. We made this cut here. And now we will create this hole. This hole is in the center of this body, and the distance between the center of this hole and this edge here is 17.5 millimeters, and the diameter is 15 millimeters. So go to Sketch. I will make this in the back face here, and here select a circle, make a circle here, and go to Smart Dimension. The diameter 15 millimeters, and the distance between the center of the circle and this edge here is 17.5 millimeters. And now select the center of the circle, hold Ctrl in the keyboard and select the midpoint, and add relation, vertical, and press OK. And now go to Features and select Extruded Cut. The direction here, select it through all, and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.